And our picture number 6 will show us kung ano ang dapat nating damihan. Sa mga bata dyan na hindi marunong kumain ng gulay, yan ay kasalanan ng mga magulang. Try to make it palatable. Hanap kayo ng paraan na masasarapan sila and attractive so that they will like it. And if they see you eating it, gagayahin nila kayo. Pero kung kayo mismo ang hindi kumakain ng gulay, di syempre, yun ang susundan ng inyong mga anak. Ang picture number 7 natin will show us to eat a lot of fruits. Yan. Ang prutas ay hindi ginagawang dessert. Ang prutas ay kinakain bilang merienda o bago ang main meal natin. So imagine, if you're going to have lunch at 12 noon, at around 11, magprutas kayo. Yan ang gawin yung merienda. If you're going to have breakfast at around 8, at 6:30 or 7, magprutas kayo. At kung maaari, wag po yung mga nasa lata, mga fresh fruits lamang. Now, if your child does not like eating fruits, pwede niyo po itong gawing smoothie or i-blender ninyo at samahin niyo silang mag-iinom ng drinks gaya po ng fruit juices. Meron nga akong tinatawag na M&M formula, malunggay at mangga. Ibe-blender niyo yan at ibibigay sa inyong mga bata. Gets nyo? Ang dali, di ba? M&M, malunggay at mangga. And you can try different kinds of mixing up green leaves with your fruits to make it nice and palatable. Lagyan nyo ng konting honey kung medyo hindi matamis ang prutas, and then try to make your youngsters drink it. Pag ito ay nakalakihan nila, mas magiging maganda ang kanilang pangangatawan. Now, mayroon po akong ipinangako sa inyo na DASH diet or Darth Vader diet for 1 week. At nakita ko, if a person who has high cholesterol, oh nice, thank you for the slides. Can you flash that again? The 7-day meals for your low cholesterol diet, ganito ang aking plano. Supposing mataas ang iyong cholesterol, for the first 7 days of the month, you do this for a week. 1 week lang for the first 7 days of the month. Next month, do it again. And you keep on doing it on the first 7 days of the month. You will see that in 3 months' time, your bad cholesterol starts going down. Mas madali po ito kasi kaysa doon sa i-deprive ninyo ang inyong sarili. So what happens is, hindi kayo kakain pansamandali, pero mag-binge eating naman kayo after a few days. And that is not good. All I'm asking is, 7 days of the first week of the month, every month, for 3 months, and watch your bad cholesterol go down.